Okay, gun number 2. This one is also a Beretta. It's a Cheetah in 32 ACP. Pretty stoked. Came with an extra mag. I paid 32 bucks for the extra mag. Again, I got these from Classic Firearms. Pretty happy with the first one, which I just did a video on, which is my 1951 Beretta. And now I'm pulling out of the box a Cheetah that I got at the same time. So I opted to get the extra mag because it always seems like it's a pain in the butt to try to find some of these mags, and they're expensive anyway. So this extra mag was 32 bucks from Classic Firearms, and it honestly looks brand freaking new. So if you want to get the extra mag and you want to pay 32 bucks for it, it's good. Packing. Ooh. They sent me a sticker, so that's going on my gun cabinet. Alright, so it comes in the bubble wrap and a FedEx box, in case you're curious. And I have gloves on because the guys at the store told me that there's cosmoline all over them. And there's not. But I'm really happy right now. I can tell you I'm stoked already on this Beretta. Mod 1981 patented Beretta 32. This is the first time I've had a 32 ACP ever, and I am stoked. This thing, yeah, I was really happy with the 1951. This one looks amazing. The mag that looks in it, it's got a little 12 mark on it. It looks brand new almost as well. I mean, there's a bunch of crap on it, but so maybe it wasn't, but yeah, the spring's really good. I'm gonna pull my camera up here. I'm using my phone. Look at this thing. You can see that there's some cosmoline in it, but the area didn't go too crazy. And I know a lot of people don't like this shiny stuff, but I don't mind it too much. It is slick, but at the same time, it's kind of pretty. I think it's a little bit of cosmoline right in there. I mean, look how shiny and clean the back is here. So I was so excited, I broke rule of gun safety, and I'm a jackass for that. I did not check to see if it's clear and safe, which of course it is, but I didn't check. Alright, there's some cosmoline in the barrel, but let's see if you guys can see it. I don't know if it's focusing on my face. Let me get some good light or something. There's definitely some rifling in there. I don't have a bore scope. I can't really. It might be marred up, but I don't know. Let me try to take it apart. So again, never had one of these. I grew up on M9s, so pretty familiar with those, and I got a couple, but this kind of looks like it's got the M9 style takedown, 92, so I guess it came from that. And it's kind of got a 1911-ish slide stop safety, so Now, I'm going to have to do some experimenting or research to see. I guess we can figure it out now. So there's a half cock option and the full cock. See how that's nice. So double action, single action. So let's see. Definitely a safety. Safety and slide stop. That's pretty cool. Oh, I wanted to see if it was decock. Not a decocker though, which is normal because the Beretta decockers are up here. But I don't know anything about these guns, so we're learning it together. So let's see here. Pushing that up. Alright. So on the right side of the gun, you got your takedown button. Left side, you got this little button right here. So you're going to push that button, that in. And when you do that, then it's going to push that out like that. And then takes it down. Just like a 92. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's got a nice spring, nice guide rod. And this, I would not be surprised if this guide rod was brand new, honestly. I don't know. Okay, a little bit different than the 92. It doesn't have that kind of, I don't know what it's called, but it's got that little weird piece that like pushes in. Or on my 51 it just did. But easy enough to come apart. See if we can get a better look inside the barrel. I don't have a flashlight to shine down the other side to try to show you guys. There's definitely rifling in there. I'll be honest with you. Like I said, never had a 92 or a 32. So I honestly don't know how deep the rifling is supposed to be. And I don't have anything to check. But I would feel happy about shooting it. No obvious, like, horrible anything's in there. And again, I haven't cleaned this gun either. So literally just unboxed it. So there is some crap down in there. I'm going to have to clean the crap out of it. That's okay. The inside of this slide is pretty dang good. Like, I don't know where they got these guns, but it doesn't look like they shot much. So I'm gonna call the barrel just my ignorance on 32s. I mean, most of the gunk you see in there is very light cosmoline. I don't even see any real nicks or dings or anything. I mean, yeah, obviously it needs clean, but that ramp right here is black. It's just shiny. That's why it looks gray on the... So, let's see if we can put it back together with the same ease. Sorry, and my phone's kind of cooked. It goes together. If you have any experience with 92, you can figure this out real quick. There you go. Let's see. Kind of catching on something here. Don't want to force it. Don't know what I'm catching on. Got a feeling. Well, it's going to go all the way down in there. Aha. So that's something new that I've never had before. The barrel, when I put it back together, was actually sticking out like that. So you could actually do that on this one. That's something I've never seen before. So you got to be careful when you put it together that it goes in there like that. Okay. Again, I had it kicked up like that and it wouldn't even go on the slide. So I guess that's a good thing. Or the slide wouldn't even go on the frame. So yep, now it wants to go. Alright, I guess I gotta push that thing in again, obviously. Hmm. Well, it should go. That's weird. I got it out of the wrong way here. Oh, sorry. So what's happening is this thing was down like that. So I'm going to try it, moved it back up there, and now I'm going to try to put the slide on because it wouldn't lock. Well, now it's locked in and it won't go back. There we go. Okay. So that was a little weird. I'll show you. So when I push that down, it's actually moving the front of this out a little bit. Right? And it didn't want to come in. You see the guide? So you got to make sure it's not going to work. So push this back. And then push the button in the back there, and it clipped in. Super stoked, really happy, really excited. Beretta 1981 or Model 81 Cheetah 32 ACP. Can't wait to clean it the rest of the way and go shoot it. Very much stoked about this firearm in particular. Again, I just did a video on 51 I got. I was really happy with the way that came out. This one, very happy. I don't know if it was ever even carried. I mean, I'd be surprised if it was. Same with this one. Bye-bye. It won't work because I got gloves on.